Follow the steps on how to remove the watermark using Photoshop. Let's start by inserting the image. First, activate the Object Selection tool, then select Lasso mode. Select the watermark. Hold Shift to select several watermarks at once. After that, go to Select, Modify and Expand. You can follow these settings. Then go to Edit and select Fill. Set it like this. Press Ctrl D to deselect. You can repeat the same method on the next watermark. Use the shortcut Shift F5 to fill. You can also use the Magic Wand tool to select. After everything is clean, save it by exporting. And this is the result. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.